What's going on, everybody? It's Vernon from Happy Meals. Now, this is going to sound bizarre, it's going to sound crazy, but a metabolism boosting salad, right? Stick with me here, but this is my favorite recipe. I've recently discovered this and I cannot stop eating it. One of my favorite things about this salad is how simple it is. From the prep down to when it's completed and cooked and ready to go, we're talking about 15 minutes. There's gonna be a little wait time I'm not gonna factor in with the salad because you gotta let some things, marinate. You gotta let some things marinate, you know what I mean? Make that get on there. We're gonna be using salmon today because we wanna make sure we get those omega-3 fatty acids like I talked about in another video. Check it out. We're gonna be boosting your metabolism and giving you some great energy, and we're also gonna be making a nice healthy meal that even if they don't like the salmon, they're gonna love the salad. All right, so the ingredients, we're gonna go through those and then we're gonna make this together, and you just wait till we put it all together. Thank you for being here. While you're here, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you smash that notification bell so we can help you be happy with Happy Meals. I'm gonna have all the ingredients listed with the measurements in the box, the comment section right down below, so you can know exactly what it is. So I'm gonna go through it, but remember, if you ever get lost, just look down there and it's gonna tell you exactly how much. And voila, here is our delicious beet and kale salad. Now the trick with this is, and that's what kind of takes away while I was saying I'm not gonna count this, we need to let this sit for a good, there we go, for about 20, ignore the bloody hands, it's not blood, it's beet juice, we all know what it looks like. All right, so this needs to sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour for everything to get all juicy and sexy together. So, I'll see you in an hour. All right. Oh my God, it smells so good. Look how pretty it is. Look, look at that juice. That juice is so good. I don't know if you can see it or not. I know a lot of people don't like beets. I'm just suggesting, give this recipe a shot. It takes less than 5 minutes to put together. Let it sit for an hour, 2 hours. You said let it sit overnight, honestly, the longer the better. But I think you'd be really surprised. Let's put this together. And this, my friends, is my beet obsession. So pretty, so much color. I went ahead and added some tomatoes to it. Diced some tomatoes up. Now let's get a taste test. I know I'm waiting for some fish to put on top of this, but you gotta sneak a bite in. You gotta make sure. Cheers, friends. And there we have it, lunch is served. We've got this delicious salmon right here, made with the soy lime miso sauce. Actually doing a video on that. We got our delicious kale salad, got some healthy fats here. We got lots of antioxidants, things that help you stay young, things that make your metabolism function even better and faster. Love this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, while you're here, check these other videos out.